Now let's look at some data to give you an idea of how powerful Pinterest can be. So for today's example, I'm going to show you actually my own company. It's Maritime Vintage. But basically what we're looking at here is the stats for the last month. And basically what you can see is without adding any advertising dollars, I'm not in a position yet where we're putting advertising dollars in the mix, where we're still kind of bootstrapping things. But I get close to 5 million monthly results. Now, the point of note here is that with Maritime Vintage, we have 4 sales cycles a year. We're currently not in a sales cycle, so you're not seeing the full magnitude of pins we normally send out. When we're in a sales cycle, we'll take that standing number of 4 million monthly impressions, and once again, without adding any advertising dollars, all organic, we can actually quite easily crank that up to 10 to 14 million monthly impressions. We're going to talk more about impressions in a moment, but that's very powerful in marketing terms. Now, to show you the individual power of a Pinterest pin and put this into context, on any given day I will send out between 80 and 200 pins. And what you're seeing here is an example of 2 of those pins and the reach those pins got. Now, you won't get this type of coverage on average every pin, but it kind of shows you the magic that can happen if you configure your SEO the correct way and abide by the way Pinterest does things. And the key here is to having a trusted information source that is answering a question or fulfilling a tutorial or some kind of answer to a question. So Pinterest marketing relies on a very soft sell. You're typically not selling, you can sell products directly, and that does work, but to be really truly successful, you have to switch to a brand of selling that sells through storytelling and tutorials. And when you do that, and you connect your pins to that trusted vlog, blog, or it can even be a podcast, as long as there's a trusted information source on the other end, you can have very great results. And then within that trusted information on the other source, you put your affiliate links or you put your for sale merchandise as a part of the information package.